The new 12-tin EuroBin has many features not included in similar bins on the market. Weighing only 52 kilos, the 12-tin EuroBin is currently the lightest on the market, and it can hold up to 900 kilos. The EuroBin is available in two heights, 980mm and 597mm.
4 ID areas per side ensure full identification information is available for total supply chain visibility.
Yellow, high-visibility fork straps are designed to increase health and safety for forklift truck driver handling and to help visibility in low-light conditions. The yellow straps can easily and quickly be replaced when damaged, and this saves the customer money as the base does not have to be replaced like many other bins currently available. This is achieved by unscrewing the red screws and detaching the yellow fork straps and then simply replacing them by the same method.
The lockable dust cover is another health and safety feature, designed to reduce dust contamination when components are being stored in the bins, and it does not blow away when on top of a stack. The EuroBin is made from 100% virgin polypropylene. This ensures high quality performance and, most importantly, a 100% recyclable bin with only one polymer type. Current estimates are showing a 60% reduction in the time spent changing parts and a 70% reduction in the cost of replacing parts. These also ensure similar reductions in bins being out of use in the supply chain.
Non-sequential folding means faster and easier handling. One side drop down ensures no walking round the bin to fold down, and with the easy grip latches, the whole operation of the EuroBin makes life simpler for all operators throughout the supply chain.
All the doors can be opened when the bins are stacked, making it simple to see the products inside. Adjacent doors make it easier for forklift truck drivers to position the EuroBin at line side and production areas, as access to the bin by the operators can be made from the sides. The doors are easy to open and close using a slam-shut locking system. Another unique feature is that the doors on all sides are the same depth and width. This ensures safe handling when placing and taking products in and out of the EuroBin.
The stack height of the EuroBin when erected 3 high gives 78 bins per trailer. When folded in stacks of 10, a total of 260 bins can be transported per mega trailer. This is the biggest cost down for EuroBin users and is unmatched by any other plastic folding bin on the market. EuroBin is the safest and most economical product of its type on the market today, and as it does not interstack with other bins in Europe, it is safe from theft and loss in the ever-increasing used bin market.